Manufacturing is woven into the fabric of the American economy. For generations, the strength of our nation has rested on our factory floors, with the workers and the machines they operate. As the demand for American-made products and services continues to increase, manufacturers must stay nimble, training a new generation of workers and using the latest technology to meet the demands of the global economy.
So we've developed these partnerships with our major suppliers for raw materials, for finished goods, for components, for building our conveyor systems. The supply chain's not just the item that's shipped to us, the raw materials. There's a supply chain of labor that we need. And it's not just labor, it's skilled labor, people that can actually build what we're asking them to build.
Founded in 1972 and headquartered in Burleson, Texas, KWS Manufacturing Company designs and manufactures conveying equipment for the bulk material industry. Dedicated to providing the highest quality equipment and service to its customers, KWS products are marketed globally to many diverse industries.
KWS Manufacturing has two distinct missions. The first mission is to provide a quality product, great service, and exceptional delivery to our customers. The second mission is to make daily continuous improvements so we can exceed our customers' expectations. KWS was founded on taking care of our customer.
Working closely with its customers, KWS provides unique, custom solutions for their bulk material handling applications. With a strong focus on high quality and quick lead times, KWS has grown over 1,000% in the last decade.
We have a high percentage of long-term employees that are highly committed to maintaining our levels of customer service and the quality of our products. On the supply side, as certain supply chains tightened, we've had to work hard to make sure that we didn't pass extended lead times onto our customers.
KWS is proud to provide the tools and training for long-term success in every area of its business, offering employees with a willingness to learn and work hard the opportunity to learn multiple skills such as welding, machining, and metalworking.
Here at KWS, we encourage our employees to take complete ownership of every aspect of their work. We encourage them to exhibit leadership through complex problem solving, and we encourage them to develop long-lasting, meaningful relationships with their customers and their colleagues alike.
The on-the-job training helped me a lot. It was really beneficial for them to just stick me in a booth, tell me to watch somebody, and then just hand it to me and be like, do it, you'll get better. And they're right.
Here at KWS, we try to facilitate opportunities for our employees starting at the entry level. We try to instill in them an opportunity to grow in whatever particular area of interest that they have.
Getting a job here has helped me support myself, save up for an apartment, go to school without debt, and start saving for retirement really early in life, actually.
Skilled labor is probably the most important thing for any American-based company right now. I mean, we're looking for skilled labor, but what we really have to do is develop skilled labor. So we have our own training programs internally for welding, machining, sheet metal fabrication. Whatever you want to learn at KWS, we'll teach you.
When I came here, I actually didn't know that much about welding. I had only taken one class prior, so everything was basically new. And the welding that I did do was a different type of welding than the welding that we did here. So again, it's real new. Everything is really interesting, really. I like the processes that we're doing. I like the people. Everybody has been super kind to me, super welcoming, really.
KWS is committed to helping America continue to be the world leader in manufacturing. Regardless of your gender, background, or past experience, an opportunity at KWS provides an outstanding balance of learning while earning a great living in the trades. Let us help you kickstart your future today. Learn more about KWS Manufacturing, custom engineered solutions. For more information, go to kwsmfg.com or call 800-543-6558.